Hariom children, this is exercise number 7.2, sum number 4. Mohan invested rupees 29,040 in 15% of 100 rupees share of a company quoted at a premium of 20%. We have to calculate 3 subdivisions are given. The number of shares bought by Mohan, his annual income from shares, the percentage return on his investment. We will solve one by one. Okay, children, first let me write what is given in the question. What is the investment amount? Investment amount is rupees 29,040 and rate percentages 15% of rupees 100 rupees share, that is the face value, original value. Face value of the share is equal to 100 for each share of a company quoted at a premium of 20%. Premium means a company's share value is rupees 100. From this we can keep a profit and sell the shares. That is the premium value. So premium value is 20%. We will calculate what is the premium value. Premium value is market value. That is for how much amount we are selling the share in the market. So they have allowed 20%. So it is 100 into 20%. Percentage means divided by 100. So 20 rupees extra we can keep it and sell. So 100 plus 20, market value is market value for each share that we can sell is 120 rupees. Now they have asked us to find the number of shares. First subdivision, the number of shares bought by Mohan. Number of shares bought by Mohan. What is the formula? Investment divided by market value. Investment divided by market value. What is his investment? 29,040 rupees is his investment. Market value of each share is 120 rupees. Now cancel it. 2,904 divided by 12. 2,904 divided by 12. We will get 242 shares. So Mohan has bought how many shares? 242 shares. Number of shares bought by Mohan. You have to compulsorily write the conclusion and underline it. Next, second subdivision. His annual income from shares. His annual income from shares. So accordingly, how many shares he have sold out, he will get that much of money. The formula will be number of shares into rate of dividend into face value. Number of shares is 242. Rate of dividend is 15 divided by 100 into the face value is 100. Rate of dividend, it is given in the sum, it's 15%. So we have written 15 divided by 100. And the number of shares what he has bought, we have found out 242 shares he has bought. So into 242. Face value, the original value of each share is 100. So accordingly substitute and we have to find out the answer. So 100 and 100 will get cancelled. The remaining 242 into 15. Answer is 3,630. So his annual income is 3,630. That means he hasn't sold all the shares, only some of the shares he has sold out, which he has earned money. The amount will be rupees 3,630, which is his annual income. His annual income is rupees 3,630. We are moving on to the third subdivision. Third subdivision is rate of interest received by him on his money. On his money means what he has invested, the invested amount on his money. Now the formula will be income divided by investment. Rate of interest is equal to income divided by investment. Income is 3,600. Annual income what we have found out is 3,630 divided by what is his investment, 29,040 rupees. 29,040. We have to find out the percentage, so multiply it by 100. So zeros will get cancelled. 36300 divided by 2904. 36300 divided by 2904. That is 12.5. So 12.5. In your book it has written as 12.5. Both are same only. So it is the percentage of return. The percentage, the rate of interest, the percentage of return, the rate of interest, both are same. The rate of interest received by him on his money equals 12.5%. Why? Because the annual income is so low, so we have got the rate of interest also less. Okay, returns of his investment only we have found out. Hari Om. With this, sum number 4 is completed.